you don't have hair follicle present.
Are there any side effects for hair transplant? We are done with hairline marking. Trust me, it's less painful than a mosquito bite. Alright guys, big day today. We are with the hair expert himself, Dr. Gajanan Jadhav. I have few doubts, so let's clear it out. Doctor, I have this receding hairline, so what we can do for this?
See, basically we need to understand you don't have hair follicle present at that particular area.
Okay.
That is the reason we are planning for a hair transplantation and for a bald spots, basically baldness or alopecia, what we call it.
Okay.
Because once we try to give any kind of medication, it has to have a good hair roots to support that.
Yeah.
If you don't have any hair roots, then it will not work. Like you already tried PRP and other things, but it will not give the results what we want to have, because you lost with the hair follicles. We don't have any stem cells over there. So nothing is going to work there. So we are planning to do hair transplantation.
Okay.
So that you will have a new hair growth over there.
Okay. So I have one question. Since I do a lot of shoots, so I cannot shave my whole hair.
Yeah.
So is there any way that we can manage without getting shaved?
Yeah. See, basically nowadays there are two techniques of doing without shaving. Like partial shaving will be only for the donor area. We are going to not trim the front area because only we are dealing with the front.
Okay.
So there's no point in trimming everywhere, right? So that is one thing. Second thing is called long hair FU hair transplantation. So in that even we don't trim on the back side. Okay, but that is very tedious job and it takes a lot of time and efforts, because one case we do maximum maybe 1,500 grafts per day, because it takes a lot of efforts and time.
Okay.
So if someone is not keen for keen for backside shaving, we can do that shaving and just do a hair transplantation, because backside area will be matched very soon. Maybe within a month you will be able to just match with your existing hair.
Okay. Are there any side effects for hair transplant?
See, as such, hair transplantation is a very, very safe surgery. So complications or side effects will not be there as much. Other major procedures will have, because bleeding not much. Any other complications like cutting any important structures is not there, because it's a skin surgery, superficial surgery, like 5 millimeter depth, that's it, nothing else, right? So important here is, like in your case, yeah, it will not last more than maybe 4 hours, right? But in other cases where we have long duration surgeries where we go for 5,000, 6,000 grafts in one session,
okay,
it takes a lot of time and efforts as well. Like even the anesthesia might not be sufficient sometime to cover up that number of hours of surgery. So that risk increases. So risk is not about the surgery. Risk is about the duration of the surgery and level of anesthesia, what you achieve during that. Because the dose might exceed what is recommended. So that creates a problem. So whatever you have seen, the complications of hair transplantations are not because of the surgery. It's because of maybe overdose of anesthesia or long duration of the surgery.
Okay. And is it gonna be painful?
No, because we are going to give you local anesthesia. Whatever the injections are there, that's might be there for 10 minutes. That might be little painful, but after that there won't be any.
Okay.
This hair usually have a different directions. So now actually the direction should be on this side. He's having opposite side direction. Okay, so now this is one of the challenge we are going to face while creating hairline, because our pattern is usually left to right. Now he is having right left. Okay, so this is beginning. Since beginning is having the same. Alright. So now how we are going to plan? So if you consider forefinger, it is below the forefinger. So you cannot go below this. That is one thing. Second part is frowning. If you ask him to look up, can you just look up? See. Okay, so now the frontal is to here, right? So actually ideal scalp is start from here as well, okay, because there is no muscle. So scalp, how will you define scalp? Without having any muscle support. Correct? Right. So what we will do, we'll consider this as a starting point and we will design a hairline accordingly.
Alright, we are done with hairline marking and we are all set for the surgery. you guys ask me how painful it is, trust me, it's less painful than a mosquito bite. Finally, my procedure is done and my experience at La Densité was truly amazing. Dr. Gajanan Jadhav is super professional and he makes sure that you are comfortable throughout the procedure. He explained me everything step by step, which gave me a lot of confidence. And the best part, the procedure was way easier and less painful than I expected. And lastly, I've got to say the staff here is very friendly and supportive. From the moment I walked in, they made me feel like home. I'm super excited for the results. I'll keep you guys posted, so stay tuned.